This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Hyper-V is installed and that you have administrator rights. This ensures access to the Hyper-V Manager console. Once done, choose the switch type: external to access the physical network, internal for host VM comms, private for VM-only traffic, because that decision changes routing and security. Now open Hyper-V Manager, select the host, and click Virtual Switch Manager to start. Make sure the correct physical NIC is available and not bound by other services. You now set the switch name and description so it's identifiable later. Clear names prevent misconfiguration. Next, configure VLAN ID only if your network requires segmentation, because mislabeling VLAN blocks traffic. Then bind the switch to the chosen NIC and review NIC offload, checksum, and teaming settings. These affect performance and failover. Once configured, use the advanced options to permit management OS traffic if you need host access, and click Apply to create the switch. You finish by attaching virtual machines to the new switch in each VM's network adapter settings, then test connectivity with ping and specific services so you validate routing and DNS. Make sure guest OS network settings match the expected addressing. Restart VMs after major changes to clear cached state. If you encounter problems, first check the host NIC driver and firmware. Outdated drivers commonly break virtual switch binding. And verify VLAN tags and physical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.